Annyeonghaseyo 친구! I hope this finds you well wherever you are and whatever you're doing. After some Super Junior appeared on this channel last week, there was a rather big response of literally every single one of you telling me to watch Raining Spell for Love. And I'm a good girl who does what she's told. It's just not true at all. But I do take recommendations seriously, and everybody said Raining Spell for Love. So Raining Spell for Love it is. This is the remake version, so it's the one that's just been released recently. So let's go, gotcha. So excited for their album coming out. It's gonna be my first time, like, being a Super Junior fan and being around for an album to come out. It's exciting. There he is. I got called out so hard for smiling every time Siwon comes on screen, so I'm gonna work harder not to do that.
말이 없는 입술 그 시간에서 너와 나 그곳에 아무도 없는 빗속 혼자만 남은 우산 그 허전함에 멈춰서 길을 막고 어딜 거야 눈을 감아 아무렇지 않은 척해 보지만 I know 뭔지 모르게 눈앞엔 비가 내리고 그대로 난 아무 말 할 수 없었어 하루만 어지간 구름을 잡아줘 너를 막아서 우리 멎지 않게 흘러가는 이 시간을 또 잡아줘 순간을 멈춰 사랑이 멎지 않게
Oh, they sound amazing.
빗소리에 잡개를 삼켜도 괜찮아 심장은 젖잖아 기억을 써내지마 지워내려 하지마 징그를 녹이려 하지마 끊어내려 하지마 같은 비가 심장에 박혔나봐 이 끝이 없는 rainy spring 내가 돌아오는 주문이 된다면 봄이 젖어도 견딜 수 있을 텐데 멀어지는 구름을 잡아줘 너를 막아서 눈물이 멎지 않게 흘러가는 이 시간을 또 잡아줘 순간을 멈춰 사랑이 멎지 않게 손이 걷어도 크게 불러도 버붓는 비틈의 힘이 해줘 맘속에 참았던 그것이 쏟아져 우리 언제쯤 그칠 수 있을까 멀어지는 구름을 잡아줘 너를 막아서 너를 막아
You sound like an amazing choir. Oh, that was so beautiful. Oh, that's why you told me to watch it. It's divine. Oh, they sound amazing singing in unison. By the way, I really do mean that as a compliment when I say they sound like a great choir. I went to an all-girls school and I was in all of the choirs naturally, but whenever we needed to sing something really big, like a mass or something like that, we would partner with the all-boys school down the road, and I used to just love listening to the men's voices. There's something really full and rich about male voices all singing together in a choir. It's gorgeous, as was just Sean. That was really beautiful. That was a really nice way to do that as well. There was something really comforting about that video. Kind of made you want to cuddle on into the mid-century modern theme that they've got going on there and drink some coffee. There are some seriously pure voices in there, aren't they? That was really lovely. Thank you so much for that suggestion. I'm really looking forward to the rest of them. There's a whole bunch that have been from throughout their years together, and I'm very excited to watch them, especially some of the ones that make me do this. Like, sorry. Super clap. and my favorite song of theirs, which is One More Time. I absolutely love that. So they will all come up soon, and I have more recommendations. Thank you everybody who has left recommendations in the comments. I really appreciate it. And feel free to leave more. I'm always happy to watch Super Junior. They're really touching my heart. That just got to me. Actually, that just really struck me right there. Thank you for being with me for some more Super Junior. 감사합니다 and 사랑해요, and I will see you soon. 안녕.